Why did you start learning a new language? To answer questions or to ask your own? To listen or to start conversations? To consume information or to connect the dots? At the IELTS workshop, we don't learn English just to express what we already know. We learn to use it to explore the unknown, to expand our world. Putting a thick test prep book aside, we immerse ourselves in authentic materials, real articles, real videos, real story. Each one is a peek into the life of real people to get you curious about the world beyond the classroom. This is the start of the journey to learn, inquire, master. We learn. We don't start with templates or sample. We begin by learning the foundation of a good answer. How to build an argument, why one word fits better than another.
And what the examiner is really looking for.
We inquire. Why is this the right answer? Why is this idea more convincing? Could I express it any other way? And with every inquiry addressed, we not only have a better understanding of the test, but a better understanding of ourselves as language users.
We master.
As we search for our own answer, we begin to connect the dots between grammar and vocabulary, between listening, speaking, reading and writing, between IELTS and real life. We're becoming not just expert in a test, but master of a language. With this mastery, we'll be able to walk into the exam with the utmost confidence, and one day we'll look back and realize an IELTS score was never the destination, but a milestone on the journey of pushing beyond the limits of our world. There's no limit when you limit. Learn, inquire, master.